All right, so what we have here is the engine that we prepared for our friend Bob Nato. We're going to put it in his 1965 Austin Mini Cooper S. This is a real Cooper S with the hydro suspension and all the cool stuff. We need to clean up the engine compartment, tidy up the wiring, and there's a bunch of other things we're going to do too. But I want to let you know about the gearbox and differential that we assembled for this. It came in with a 3-synchro Cooper S gearbox that was lost first gear. Well, that's the crunch box. No synchro first, and well, they were toast. The gears were all busted. So I said, Bob, why don't we put together a close ratio Cooper S 4-speed 4-synchro gearbox, and let's use one of our 310 final drive cross-pin differential kits that we sell on our website. So I actually incorporated those with the real Cooper S Hardy spicers. The cross pin, the 310, the RHP bearings, we really dialed it in and gave him a brand new 4-speed 4-synchro. So this thing should shift like silk and should make some really great noises. And well, we're going to put it in and you'll find out for yourself when we do our ride-along videos and everything else. But I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of this beautiful motor that we prepared. Put it in this Cooper S engine bay. What a nice little piece of candy. We'll see you when we put it in.
Max, you've seen it, you've heard it, and you're still asking questions. When do we go for a ride?